Hello, kindergarten. We are continuing our unit on time by the hour. And today we're going to work on Monday, April 27, working on time by the hour for 7 o'clock. And I believe also, yes, 8 o'clock. All right, we are chucking right along. We are halfway through our unit. Okay, so let's take a look. So by now you should know the routine for these. This is really to get you familiar with writing, seeing, and telling time based on how these times look, okay? So if we're gonna draw at 7 o'clock, we need our minute hand at the 12 because 0 minutes have gone by, and our hour hand about halfway through is pointing at the 7 on our what kind of clock? Analog, okay? Same thing on our watch, because this is another way that we can see time on an analog clock. Now for our digital clock, we're gonna write it just like this. Our 7 o'clock, our hour goes on this side of the colon, and how many minutes are passed? 0, 0 for 7 o'clock. Now, as is our routine, you're going to rainbow write the time in numbers and in words, but you can work on that a little later, okay? We're gonna turn the page. You should recognize these. Oh man, my kindergartners in the past have loved these mazes and zipped right through. So this time you're looking for 7 o'clock. Your start is right here. Always find your start clock, and your finish is right down here. Okay, remember to take the time to do your best. I'm going to let you guys work on this one and see how well you've been practicing on your own. Okay, remember you cannot go diagonally. You can only go down and across. That's it. Okay, all right, and our time to the hour for 8 o'clock, identically done to how we did for the 7 o'clock hour, except this time, well, our minute hand is still pointing at the 12, but this time our hour hand is pointing at the 8, okay? Same thing over here, okay? And then we're gonna write it on the digital clock in numbers. Okay, so when you're writing your 8, you're making like a big capital S, but then close it. Okay, 0, 0, and then you're going to come back later and rainbow write the numbers and the time in words. Okay, all right, and then you guessed it, another maze, this time for the 8 o'clock hour. So your reference clock is right up here if you need a reminder of what it should look like. You also have one here at the start. And you also have one here at the finish. Okay? And I'm sure you guys by now, halfway through the unit, you guys are so smart, you can go off and do this part on your own. So just remember, take the time to do your best. Don't rush, don't guess, because you have this information. Now is your chance to apply it. Okay? Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you later.